Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 2. Name of the chapter is Basic Geometrical Concepts. And it is our lecture number 1. And today's subtopics are the geometrical terms, these terms are point, line, ray, line segment, these geometrical terms we will study. Along with this, we will study about drawing and measuring. Measuring line segments. Means how we will draw or measure the given line segments. And the next subtopic will be types of lines. Types of lines. And also we will do let's rewind exercise. Questions 1 and 2. So let's start with our first subtopic, point. Beta, a point is a mark of position. It is a mark of position, a small dot. A small dot. This one. Okay. Made by a sharp pencil. On a plain sheet of paper. Is a point. Now look here. This tip. It is a point. Similarly, the end of a pin. किसी भी पिन का एक एंड पॉइंट जो होता है that is a point. Okay. And a corner where any two walls and the roof of a room meet suggest us the idea of a point. If I'm putting it like this, so this is a point. It is a point because it is made by a sharp pencil on a plain sheet of a paper. Now I hope this is clearly visible to you. A point has no length, no breadth or no thickness. Okay. So keep this thing in your mind. It has no length, no breadth, no thickness. And we name it with a capital letter like this. This is point A. Similarly, if I am making one more point with a sharp pencil, this one, and if you want to tell the name, like this, point B. With the capital letter it will be written as. I am not drawing it with the sketch pen or the unsharpened tip because the point is drawn by a sharp tip of the pencil. Now the next one is line. Okay. Now the basic idea of a line is its straightness. Means a line is always straight and it extends. It extends indefinitely in both the directions. And a line cannot be completely drawn on a paper क्योंकि दोनों तरफ से एक्सटेंड करती है, एंडलेसली एक्सटेंड करती है, तो ये पेपर पे ड्रॉ नहीं हो सकती. Now look here बेटा, it is line AB, line AB, or we can write it AB and here symbol of line. Now what is the need of these arrowheads? These arrowheads show that this line is extending in both the directions. ये arrowhead बताते हैं कि ये line दोनों डायरेक्शन में बढ़ रही है. Okay, so this is the way of writing the line. Either line AB or AB, then here you will mark the symbol of line. And these are the points, point A and B, which are telling the name of this line, that this line is line AB. The next geometrical term is ray. A ray of light coming from the sun or a torch gives us the idea of a ray. आप देखते हो ना, टॉर्च से जब लाइट निकलती है तो ये एक डायरेक्शन में बढ़ रही होती है ना, और एक इसका एंड पॉइंट होता है जहां से ये चल रही होती है. सो अ रे ऑफ लाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम द सन, you can see from the sun the light which is coming is a ray, or a torch, that gives us the idea of a ray. So what is a ray? A ray has a definite starting point. But goes infinitely in the other direction. What does it says? It says that ray has a starting point but no end point. It goes in other direction. And how we will represent it? Look here. If it is a ray, it has a starting point. This is a starting point and goes in other direction. And if I am marking it as PQ, it means now the name of this ray is PQ ray. In this way we will write. Or how we will write down? Ray PQ. Okay, beta. Now the next term is line segment. Line segment. A line segment is a straight line. A line segment is the straight line that has a beginning and an end point. So what have you understood? A line segment is a straight line that is a starting point and end point. Means a line segment has two end points. One is the starting and another is end point जहाँ पे ये finish होती है. Starting point and finishing point. It has 2 points. Okay. And how we will draw? Look, use the scale. Draw it. As it is a line segment, it has one starting point and one end point. So its name is line segment AB. Can I write down with sketch pen so that it can be visible? Line segment AB or AB and put the symbol. Understood? In this way. Have you noticed one thing, that whenever you are going to draw any geometrical term, you have to use pencil and scale. No blue pen, no black pen, no sketch pen, no marker. Pencil and scale only you have to use. And explanation of these all geometrical terms is given in your book on page number 13 and 14. So you will have to read those pages. Now our next topic is drawing and measuring line segments. Means how we will draw or how we will measure the line segment. So first we will do measuring. Measuring line segments. Now look here. Suppose this is the line segment given to us and we have to measure the length. I have taken it in this way. Not straight. Means not horizontal. Straight it is there. ये straight line है. But ऐसा नहीं है जैसे आप चेक करते हैं horizontal और vertical. Because the line segment gives the idea of straightness. But it can be in any way. Okay, not only horizontal or vertical. In any direction it can be, but it gives the idea that it should be straight. Now, how to measure this? This is a scale. You have to start measuring it from 0. Now, I will zoom it a little bit. Look here. From 0 to 1, there are 10 small divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10th is written as 1. In this way, there are 10 divisions from one digit to next digit. So we will start measuring from 0, not from 1. Keep the thing in your mind, from 0 you will start. Take the side where centimeters is written. Now put the very first, that is starting point, at 0. And now look here. After 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the big line which shows the 5 divisions. After 5 there is one more division, so it is 5.6 centimeter. Here you have to write down the measurement 5.6. If the names are given to you, it's okay. If not given, you will write yourself. And now, what is your answer? Your answer is length of line segment AB is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Look here. It is zoomed, that's why this 5.6 was not visible. Now is it clear to you? In this way you will write down. Now after measuring line segment, the next topic is subtopic drawing line segment. Means now we will study how to draw the line segment. Look here beta, before drawing I will explain you again. If the line segment is given in this way, then also you can measure it. Okay, always put the starting point at 0 and ending point you have to mark it from your scale from 0 to 2, so it is representing 2 centimeters. Now in this way you have to write down PQ 2 centimeter and PQ line segment is equal to 2 centimeter. Understood? The question can be in the way like drawing the line segment. It can be construct to the banana line segment construct line segment whose length is 6.9 centimeter. I have taken any length. Okay, now we will construct it. Now how I told you to measure from 0, in the same way we will start drawing it from 0. Put a mark here on 0. Okay, here, and here it is 6.5. Let me zoom it. Now see, 6.5, 6, 7, 8 and here it is 9. 7 से just one division पहले. Okay, first of all put this marks with a sharp pencil and now draw the line. Carefully, जहाँ पे आपका पॉइंट है उससे आगे आपका पेंसिल मूव नहीं करनी चाहिए. Now write down the name, any name. If it is not given, you can take any name. Capital alphabets, capital letters, M, N, and measurement is 6.9 centimeter. And name is MN line segment is equal to 6.9 centimeter. Understood? Now the next subtopic is types of lines. Types of lines. First is parallel line. Parallel lines. Now what are these parallel lines? Two lines which do not intersect each other. इंटरसेक्ट होता है एक दूसरे को काटना. Each other at any point. even if extended to infinitely are called parallel lines. Now let's understand again what is the meaning. Two lines which do not intersect. ऐसे दो लाइनें जो एक दूसरे से इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करती हैं, एक दूसरे को काटती नहीं है. At any point, even if extended to infinitely, are called parallel lines. अगर ये एक्सटेंड होती हैं, बढ़ती हैं, इनफाइनाइट, बहुत दूर. फाइनाइट होता है जिससे हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. इनफाइनाइट जो मतलब हमें शो भी नहीं हो रही, इतनी दूर है, इतने इनफाइनाइट, अनंत, आर कॉल्ड पैरेलल लाइंस like railway tracks. You see that, you know that railway tracks, these are the parallel example of parallel lines, as they do not meet if they extend endlessly. Now look at, these are two lines, line L, line M, and these are parallel because they are not intersecting and they are extending, then also they are not intersecting. How we can write down? The line L is parallel to line M. Okay. There are some other examples also. Opposite edges of a ruler. This, see the opposite edges, parallel. अगर आप इनको कितना भी बढ़ा लें, ये कहीं भी मैच मिलेंगे नहीं, इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. Okay. Similarly, opposite sides of rectangle, they are also parallel lines. Now the next term is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, as the name is showing, intersect lines, एक दूसरे को काटने वाली lines. So two lines meet मिलना at a common point are called intersecting lines. And the point where they meet is called intersecting point. Intersecting point. Okay. Two lines meet at a common point. दो लाइन जब एक common point पे मिलती हैं, these lines are known as intersecting lines, and that common point is known as intersecting point, or we can say, or point of intersection. Okay, understood? Now see, so these two lines, if we can say line L and line M, it can be written as A B C D. आप सिंगल लेटर से भी इसका नेम लिख सकते हैं, टू लेटर से भी लिख सकते हैं, and this point is known as point of intersection. Okay, so line L and M are intersecting lines and their point of intersection is P. Now the next type is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Two intersecting lines L and M are said to be perpendicular to each other if one of the angles formed by them is a right angle. But have you understood? Two intersecting lines, दो lines L और M जो intersecting एक दूसरे को intersect तो कर रही हैं, are said to be perpendicular. But उनको हम perpendicular कब कहेंगे? If one of the angles formed by them is the right angle. When they are intersecting, their one angle should be right angle. At least one angle. Now look here. If the angle formed by them is a right angle, look here, these two lines L and M are known as perpendicular if one angle is at least 90 degree. But we know that if this is 90, remaining all the angles are showing of same 90 degree. Okay, so we can say that line L is perpendicular to line M. This is the symbol of perpendicular. Okay beta. Now we will do, let's rewind exercise. Question number 1 and 2. Which of the following statements are true? A line segment has a fixed length. Yes, true. We have learned from the definition. Every ray has a definite length. इसको बेटा definite read करना आपको. Every ray has a definite length. False. Because it has a starting point but it extends in another direction. Line segment AB is same as line segment BA. Yes, it's same. If it is AB, it can be read as BA because there is no arrow, no direction. A line segment has one end point only. False. Line segment has two end points, one starting and one ending. A line has no end point. True. Okay beta. Now question number 2. Count the number of line segments drawn in each of the following figures and name them. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. ये बेटा 3 lines हैं, BD, DC, BC. And we have to write down the name also. Number 6 and naming. Write down naming. AB, then AC, and then AD, BD, DC, and PC. Big line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write down 6. Now here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beta, here different colors are there. You can easily see them. But in your exam or in your test, there will be no different colors. You have to recognize them. Total 6 are there. And name. Start from here. DF. DB, you can start from any point. But be careful, don't repeat. Then FB. Now EC, CA and AE. AE can be written as EA. In the same way, you can write down EC as CE. That is also correct. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so number is 6 and namings are DC, CB, BA, DC, CB, BA, AD, and DB and CA. Got it? Now it's time to take homework, and your homework is do questions 3 and 4. All parts. Let's rewind exercise. In book. Okay. Let's rewind exercise. Question 3, 4 you will do. Each question contains 3 parts, and don't do untidy work within 5 minutes. Do it very carefully, neatly. Okay. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.